Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the process of swapping faces using Photoshop. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly replace a face in an image, you're in the right place. I've covered face swap tutorials before, but this time, I'll break it down into 6 easy to follow steps. Step 1. Open up the image that contains the face you want to swap. Then, select the lasso tool from the toolbar and use it to carefully outline the area of the face you want to replace. Once you have your selection, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Step 2. Now, switch to the image where you want to place the new face. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied face onto this image. To ensure it blends well, hit Ctrl+T to activate the free transform tool. You can adjust the size and position of the pasted face. Lower the opacity temporarily to make alignment easier. Step 3. Holding the Control key, click on the face layer to select it. Navigate to the top menu and go to Image. Then select Adjustments and click on Match Color. In the Source section, choose the image you're currently working on. Make sure the background layer is selected. Hit OK to proceed. Step 4. Let's work on the body now. Duplicate the background layer and name it Body. Temporarily hide the background layer. Go to the Select menu, choose Modify, and then click on Contract. Enter the value 5 and hit OK. Once the selection is contracted, press the Delete key to remove that portion. Step 5. Set the opacity of the face layer back to 100%. Now, select both the face layer and the body layer. Head over to the Edit menu and click on Auto Blend Layers. Choose Stack Images and confirm with OK. Step 6. Get ready for the magic moment. Behold as the face swap unfolds before your eyes. The swapped face now appears naturally integrated into the image. That's it. You've successfully swapped faces using Photoshop. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in mastering this technique. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching.